People, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. And I just want to welcome all the newcomers, new subscribers. Welcome aboard. Thank you guys for joining me on my journey. Today, I'm going to be making some veggie lasagna today, and it's going to be fun stuff because I got some butternut squash, some zucchini, and spinach going into my veggie lasagna today. So shout out to all the vegetarian up. All right, so we're gonna get this all prep started. So let's go, guys. Yes, people, let's get some oil in my pot right here. I got the hot water boiling for my noodles. A little bit of olive oil in there, and I got some salt going on too. And this is just the regular noodles I'm using. I didn't use oven ready. I'm doing it right from scratch. We're gonna get some noodles inside the pot and get it going. Okay guys, this water is ready. Let's get these noodles inside so we can cook up a storm. Turn that down. Those noodles simmer. So yes, people, I'm just dicing up some butternut squash right now. Got about a half a butternut squash here sitting in my fridge. Said you're gonna make veggie lasagna? Why not? Use it up. So it's going right inside my lasagna, people. I'm gonna roast these off in the oven along with the zucchini, some onions. We should be good. Get this all cut up. Vegetarian stuff. Okay, the noodles are ready. I think they take about 10 minutes. Yes, people, so these noodles have been boiling for like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna drain the water right off right now. Okay, people, we're ready to get this veggies marinate. Okay, so let's get these. I got some tablespoon of oregano right here going on. And I also got some onion powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder going in. I got a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of chili. Love a little bit of chili flakes. Chili flakes to get it some flavor, people. You know I like flavor. I always say flavor up. Alright, and I got 4 cloves of garlic here all chopped up. Ready to go in. Yeah, so that's the butternut squash here, half a butternut squash. I got 4 medium-sized zucchini inside here. And I got a half of green pepper, green bell pepper, which you guys, some guys, I should say, some people call it sweet pepper. But that's what I got going on in here. And I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of salt right here to get this seasoned. And then my olive oil. I just go by hand. That should be about 3 tablespoons. Season this baby up. That's what it looks like, people. Nice color. going on inside. So I'm gonna roast these off in the oven. The oven is already cranked up to about 400. After these are roasted, they're gonna go right inside the spinach, nice and hot. So these are going right in the oven right now. They're looking nice and colorful, eh? Wow. So let's get these inside. Get roasted. I'm gonna roast those off for about 30 minutes. Set my timer right here. Bam. So that's gonna roast for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna start making some lasagna. Okay, people, let's take a look at those veggies. Give them a stir halfway through the cooking process. Give a nice little stir. Make sure they're cooking evenly. Alright, those are looking good. Butternut squash is roasted nicely. It's gonna be a fun lasagna. And tasty, people. Lots of flavor. Whatever veg you have in the fridge, people, you chop it up and throw it inside and roast it off. Lasagna. Okay, people. Veggies are roasted. They're coming out the oven right now. Nice and hot. I'm gonna get them right inside the spinach. Mix it all up. Wow. Gonna mix this right in the spinach, guys. That out the way. So mix the hot veggies right inside the spinach. Can start the lasagna. Wow, so I got 6 cups of raw veg chopped up, and see all that shrink right down. So we're gonna start layering this lasagna now, people. I got my Parmesan cheese going on here, some parm. I got the feta. I'm gonna get the mozzarella out. And we're gonna start making some lasagna right now, people. Alright. So first thing first, get some tomato sauce in the bottom of this pan here. Before I put any noodles down. It's the first time I'm trying to use butternut squash, you know, but it's veggies. Whatever veggies you have can go right in your lasagna, people. With a pumpkin or butternut squash, you know. And I'm gonna try something different today. I'm gonna use some of the cheese inside, away from the mozzarella. Okay, get some sauce on the noodles right now too. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer, you can see what's going on in the pan. There we go. All right. Sauce in there. We're going to get some veggies down. No measurement here, people. I'm just throwing veggies right on top of the noodles. Then I'm going for the cheese. using a little bit of feta cheese inside as well. Just gonna break these up. Put some feta just on one layer maybe, because I don't want it too salty, because feta is pretty salty. So get some feta cheese just on the bottom layer here. Now that's looking good. And also the Parmesan, sprinkle a little bit of that. The noodles. And these noodles, they only take like 10 minutes in the hot water. You can use oven ready, whatever is easy for you guys, use it up. One more layer here. And I'm using the tomato sauce with pesto, people. The rest of the veggies going right on here. It's the last layer. Just pour it on. Pour it on. This is gonna be good, people. Flavor. I always say flavor up. Parmesan cheese. It's all about the flavor when you're cooking. Has to be up. Then cheese it up. It's looking good. There we go. So that's the last layer. Push that all down. Get some tomato sauce on top here. And I'm gonna keep the oven at 350. Get it all out. So that's the beautiful lasagna, people. It's looking lovely already. So guess what? This is going in the oven right now, as I said, 350. I'm gonna get it down and get it cooked. We're gonna get it out and we're gonna eat. All right, so catch you guys back. Okay, people, lasagna out the oven. Gonna check the temperature right now to see where it's at. I think it's cooked right now. Oh yeah, this is done. So I'm just gonna put it back in the oven just to glaze it a little bit. Get some color on the cheese. Look at that. We're ready to eat, people. So this just go back in the oven for a good 5 minutes and we should be ready. So people, the lasagna is done. I got a piece on the plate here. We're gonna eat right now, people. So get ready. I'm just putting a little bit of garnish on the plate. You know, your guests come over, you want them to be happy, excited, and go like, wow. Make a little bit of tomato rolls, put on it, people. So I just get my tomato right here, and I just cut thinly, right through, up and down. So you get that nice curl on the tomato. You know, Mother's Day is coming up, people. You want to do something like this for your mom, because you know mom is always special, right? So here we go. We're gonna roll this tomato. Come a little bit closer, you guys can see that. So we're just gonna roll this up. Wow. Make it look pretty. Just keep on rolling. Really simple and easy. So you can do this for the wife, or the wife can do this for the husband. See, you got a nice roses right here, people. Beautiful. Beautiful. For mama. As I said, Mother's Day is coming up. You want to make something special. You want to make the plate look pretty. Alright? Voila. Look at that, people. Bam! Let's eat. Get your knife and your fork. Let's eat. Alright? Last, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of basil right on the plate. A little extra look to it. And this is some dry basil I got right here. Just for the plate to look pretty. Look at that. Some dry herbs. Alright.